Hey everyone! Remember the days when you were a kid and you once played with a classic magnetic drawing board? Well, I found better ones on Amazon that are much more effective for the younger generation. It's by iKids Islands. Look, it lets you draw in different colors and it's great for the kids to bring around while they're on vacation to keep them busy. They can play with it in the car or anywhere really, and it definitely encourages creativity and imagination, and it gives a break to the adults who need their alone time. It's a wonderful way for them to practice their artistic skills or writing. They're durable, safe, easy to carry around, and not messy at all. It comes with a pen and stamps that you can't lose. These are fun gifts for your nephew and nieces, and your own kids, and those of your friends who are 3 years and up. They're affordable and durable with blue and pink colored boards to choose from, and they're perfect for summer vacation coming up. Check them out by clicking on the links below in the description box. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!